Good evening, friends. Today I'll talk about the Dow Jones 30 technical analysis. Okay, now Dow Jones is going to 20,000 above 20,000 above. Okay, it is high relative, and I don't talk about the all things. I'll talk about the 52 range. High is 27,890, 21,9 is 21,712 is the low level. Dow Jones is uptrend now. Okay. Now I can take the Fibonacci retracement level. 23.6, that 26,056, and it can retrace 78.62298 level. 101%, I'll guarantee you. The Dow Jones retrace up to 2298 or more below than 229. I'll promise it. You can see my video after 6 months or 3 months or 8 months. You get the benefit. Okay. Now 27, 28, 380 is something around today's marking. There is 28, 719 is the date. I'll make the before one day before me video. And 20 is the resistance. Retrace level is 16,000. It can retrace 16,000 level also. Okay. Moving average is positive, 50 by 100 days, 20 by 50 days, and it's the moving average positive because moving average depends the if the share is going to high. Okay, the moving average is positive. If share is going to down, the moving average is negative. That's a simple funda. There is a simple principle. Okay, but there is a lot of technical principle that talk about the where the stock is going. Stock is 40 say overbought. Stock is 9 by 6 पे overbought. It means retracement is the possible. And how we can retrace is depend on big fishes. There is a lot of profit. They invest the Dow Jones 30 shares. They get the good profit in Dow Jones 50. Okay, the Dow Jones 30, and they take profit, and that's the time you can buy. The simple people can buy the Dow Jones if it can correct. That's the simple principle for common peoples, not the up. Nowadays it can rises. If you can buy, it can retrace. Now 100% it can retrace. That's the simple principle. When it can retrace at 2298 or 9,000 level, 19,000 level, you can buy it at that level. You get the 100% benefit. For common man, I'll talk about common man, not a bad fisher, not a trader, not a company person, but if a person buy Dow Jones at a 16,000 level or 22,000 level, it gets the 101% benefit because Dow Jones in uptrend. There is after 3 months after there is announcement of the rate cut. What it can depend. I think the whole market is going to down, and that's the time for small investors. They can book their profit. That's the simple here. That's the simple. You can book your profit and take your profit and go to home. If you get the Dow Jones in level, you can invest in good share. You know the good share. What about the I have not told to about the what the good share of Don Jones, है ना? You know what the good share? You can take the profit and get rid of. And now the time for profit booking, because it can reach high level. When it come down, you can't understand. You cannot understand when retrace na. It can retrace 10 5%, 10%. Then you will panic. You can retrace your. You can book your profit and retrace after. Okay, bye. See you.